This video is on the song tracks feature in ThunderPOS 5.7 and above. It immediately follows the Discogs video, but you do not need to have watched that one to get anything out of this. What tracks are in the system is a way to list the contents of a item. It's kind of designed with the songs on an album in mind, but can work for other things. And then you will be able to search by those tracks. So the reason this was introduced alongside the Discogs integration is that when you pull an album from Discogs, for most albums, they will import the tracks. And then frequently, and in this case they did, they will also import the position and then duration. So in this case, because it is vinyl, it's got A side and B side marked, and then the duration of each track. However, you can enter all of this manually, and in order to do that, if you just go to this screen, which you just go to the item and inventory and then go to more and then tracks, you'll get this screen where you can edit your tracks. And to add a new one onto an item, even one that doesn't have any already, you just can type it in here. The only field that is required is the title. The position and duration are entirely optional. I'm just going to fill in some fake information here. And then it will save automatically. If you want to delete a track, you just highlight the row and you hit the delete key on your keyboard. Now, if we want to search for the track we just added, if you just go to search, you'll now see a new field for searching called track title. And all you do there is it's a contained search against that field. So if you just search for sample, for example, we will find two results because I had added one earlier. So on this one, if we go to tracks, we'll see just sample track. And if we go to the one we had added, we can see sample track 2. And while you can just use this with song tracks, you could also use it with things like episodes of a TV series that you're selling on DVD. You could use it with things like cards within a collection. Anything like that can certainly work. But Discogs is going to avoid any of the typing, probably much more convenient. If you have any questions about this function of the software, just let us know. And otherwise, thank you for watching.